Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I made my curly bun, and I'm just going to use a few items. I'm going to use the little bun donut, a crochet needle, some crochet hair, and of course my scissors. So first I'm just going to stretch the donut that sounds weird, a bit, and then I'm just going to separate the hair by cutting them in half and make them into smaller portions, if that makes sense. And then I'm just going to start crocheting the hair onto the donut. Quick note, you can separate them if you want, or you can just do it just as how you cut it in half. It's either way, but my preference is where I kind of started to separate them because it was looking a little bit too thick, and whenever I looped the hair it wouldn't stay. So I just separated and started over, and that's what kind of worked out for me. So that's what I did. Okay, so this is what the hair looks like afterwards. I'm just fluffing it out a little bit, and I think it came out okay. Don't mind my spray bottle. I just use that to keep the shape, because that's where you'll put your ponytail. I'm sorry, your bun. So here I'm just using my scissors to get the little loose pieces and just trim it up a little bit so it doesn't look out of the ordinary. Okay, so this is the moment of truth. Now I'm just gonna basically put my little bun on, and this is how it came out. I think it came out pretty good. It looks really nice. This is something you can rock on a day-to-day basis. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.